Example.
Oh, just what this town needs. Another loudmouth dyke.
What the fuck did you just say?
Ellie, Ellie, don't.
Get the hell out.
Get your hands off me.
Hey!
About them.
You worry about yourself.
Let's get some fresh air.
What is wrong with you?
He had no right.
And you do? I don't need your fucking help, Joel.
Joel, get up.